Mechanical engineering is one of the most broadest engineering disciplines that there is. Graduates from mechanical engineering can go into pretty much any industry. They can go into pharmaceutical, they can go into automotive, they can go into aerospace. Any industry you look at, there's a mechanical engineer somewhere. In the local Sudbury area, they have high demand for mechanical engineers in the mining industry or the mining supplier industry. So there's many opportunities to find work when you're done school. Our students at Cambrian are going to get exposure to a lot of hands-on work. They're going to be working with a lot of equipment that is used in industry. They're going to be looking at various problems and trying to solve them. There's group work, there's individual project work. They have capstone projects where they choose their own project that they can work on in the third year to solve a problem that's of interest to them. And by doing so, the students that graduate from the mechanical engineering program are going to be set up to walk right out into industry and walk into many different job opportunities. What can students expect in this program? They can expect to have a lot of fun. It's going to be challenging. There's going to be a lot expected of you, but there will be opportunities to do a lot of really new and unique and creative things while you're here at the college. There's also opportunities to move on into our applied research department where you get to work with really neat and up-to-date equipment. You can be assured that you're always going to have access to the latest and greatest technology, new things to play with and tinker around with, and lots of creative and welcoming faculty, staff, and fellow students waiting to work with you here at the college.